My dear precious, valuable viewers, I hope you are doing well. Today I want to explain Jolly Phonics Group 3 and the sound and letter of Jolly Phonics Group 3. The letter name is B and the sound is B, B, ball, bat, boat. Okay, dear kids, it's time for picture description. Yes, dear kids, what you can see in that picture? I think so. It's a public place. It's a very beautiful public place. You see, it is a pond in which boats, people, people did boating, and there are brother and sisters which are playing bat and ball. And here is a yellow bees. You see the one boy, he has bubbles, and one man which has bottles in his bicycle. Dear kids, dear kids, it's a very enjoyment time. Everyone was busy and enjoying. Okay, what's the next? It's a time for story. What's the story behind the letter B and the sound B? It was a public place. Zara and Asad were playing bat and ball. You see here? They are playing bat and ball with their friends. Some people were having fun in a boat. Yes. And one boy was making bubbles and was selling bottle on his bicycle. You see her bubble, and one boy he is selling bottle in his bicycle. The birds were chirping. Dear kids, here are the birds also. Beautiful birds. Everyone was enjoying nature and thanking Allah. Dear kids, we also thanks to Allah for all blessings. Okay, what's the next? It's a time for song. Bring your bat and bring your ball. Bo. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. Dear kids, it's a time for word building. Yes, we combine Dolphin Group 1, 2, and 3 and make new words like at, bed, bus, bus, big, big, bad, bad, bug, bug, it, bit. Dear kids, it's a time. Next, what's the next? Yes, what's the action behind this sound? You pretend you have a bat in your hand and you want to kick the ball with your bat and you say bring your bat and bring your ball b. Okay, dear kids, it's enough for today. Inshallah, we'll meet on tomorrow with next sound, next letter, next story. Take care.